Hello bikers, I'm Stan from Garage Zero, and in today's episode I'm gonna show you how to clean and maintain your battery terminals in 5 easy steps. The most common cause of battery corrosion is when hydrogen gas released from battery acid causes a chemical reaction with the metal terminals. Corrosion typically looks like a flaky layer of white discoloration that sits on your battery terminal. Remove the negative terminal from the battery, then the positive one. You'll notice that the positive terminal is the most affected. You can see the flaky discoloration. And disconnect the battery from the bike. You can see the positive terminal is the most affected by the corrosion. Then let's clean it. Look for a small plastic container, and your old toothbrush now has some work to do. You'll need it. Pour some baking soda into the plastic container. That's enough. And add some hot water. You'll notice that it starts to fizz. Now, using your old toothbrush, you'll use this to clean, or you can pour on your terminals. And thoroughly scrub to remove the white substance. Cover the battery terminals with a coat of baking soda, then pour a small amount of hot water on each. You'll notice the two ingredients react with each other when they start bubbling. This neutralizes the acidic corrosion and makes it safe to handle. So, using your old toothbrush, pour some baking soda on your power cable that's affected by the corrosion, and repeat the same procedure. Add hot water. After removing your battery, you can access all this dirty area that you usually don't access the other times that you wash your bike. So it's time to clean this part. When connecting back the battery, remember to connect the positive wire first, so as to avoid some sparks as you reconnect the battery onto your bike. Make sure you tighten each nut as it was. If you don't have a wire brush, you can use some steel wool to polish the terminals. finally, you can apply some WD-40 to protect your terminals against further corrosion. Just apply a small amount. So that's it for this episode. I hope you learned something. Leave your comment in the comment section below, and till next time, ride safe.